it's gonna be a very special day. Our last day in Chania, and Andreas, who, oh, hang on a second. Selfie, everybody, with our place in the background.
Oh, I like that.
Andreas, who we did the DJ set shoot with, is now taking us down. We actually made some new friends too. He's taking us down the hill a little bit to the center square. We're gonna have some lunch where the shepherd we are about to meet, the restaurant owner, is his wife, and she sells the cheese that he makes from his sheep. Very old-timey way of doing things here in this part of Crete. And there's the Markakis statue. The Markakis, he was the bodyguard of the Prime Minister of Greece, Eleftherios Venizelos, who united Crete with Greece after the Turkish occupation. And that Markakis died, took a bullet, and saved the Prime Minister. He's a hero. This is the center of the village. This is the village center. Χαίρετε, τι κάνουμε? Να χαιρετάμε. Καλά, εσύ? Alright, so the Cafenero.
The Cafeneo is
the Cafeneo, which is the cafe.
Yes. And look, it's traditional. See how nice and traditional? Like the old school. Okay. Θύμισέ μου πόσο παλιό είναι αυτό. Πες μου καμιά ιστορία. This is really old. This. You can see how they carved the Crete. 1968 here. And you have to have a drink. Sorry.
This is Rocky.
Ρακί, τσικουδιά, ό,τι θέλεις.
What do you say to cheers? What would you say?
I'll drink it for you.
What would you say?
Yamas.
Just yamas.
Yamas. Καλές δουλειές, may you have a good summer.
Yes.
Νεράκι ξέρουν τα παιδιά.
Είναι εντάξει, θα πάμε.
Εντάξει, να πάτε να φάτε. Αυτό κάνει καλό για την όρεξη. Για να φας καλά, ακούς, πες το ότι για να φας καλά κάνεις.
Whoa.
Oh, come on.
Μία.
That's him, young.
Oh, I thought he wanted me to draw it.
Κάτσε εκεί μια στιγμή και θα σε κάνει.
Ακούς, εκεί είμαι εγώ και από κάτω, δίπλα θα κάνεις εμένα. Ξανά, τώρα πες.
Samantha has been asked to draw his face on the wall.
So. Και καυστικό νάτριο.
Citrus, nitrous, something, another, yes, I'm not sure about that chemical.
Thank you.
Τέλεια.
Γεια σας.
Yes, yes.
Έχω να αγαπήσω τον τόπο, ξανάρθω.
Άστε καλά, παιδιά.
Thank you.
So this place has been open since 1915.
Wow.
Right? 1915. This is the town square, and this cafe is just a spot that people come and hang out, share the local politics with each other. And now we're going to eat at the shepherd's wife's restaurant and get some of the cheese. And she actually opened up specifically for us. Hey, Smilos! Take it on the TV, you're going to be on YouTube.
YouTube.
Hey,
I'm here. Somewhere.
So Spiros invited us into his house yesterday. He took us to get some coffee, watch the soccer game. What a guy.
Yes, that's good. Did you show all the traditional and the kids?
What's up, bud?
Andreas, the husband, they we'll see later, they bring their own meat and serve to customers, and they produce a cheese that they also serve to customers. So later on when you see that, it ends up here and on your plate.
Thank you.
With the hand.
Is the cheese inside?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh man, the chicken's amazing.
Yeah, I want to go to that dessert place.
This is Rocky. Sweet Rocky.
Yamas.
Yamas.
Here's to making new friends.
Yes, new friends.
The village of Embrosneros.
The Rosenos.
Andreas, and our new, you've been christened.
Yes.
Ska.
Ska. Ska.
There's the ska. It sounds like the name of the movie, right? The Castle of Alidakis.
Wow.
What point is that?
So what's the story on this?
So the Turkish general,
The Turkish general. Yeah.
from up there, from here, he would control the entire region from here.
Wow. Modern paints. And a fridge. Oh, it's a freezer fridge. Look at that. And a tower. What a castle. And now it is time to meet the shepherd, who produces all the cheese that we had at his wife's restaurant. Hey, I know that face.
Χαίρετε, τι κάνουμε.
Γεια σας.
Εγώ είδα βαριά δουλειά και λέω άσε πάω να φύγω.
Εγώ περίμενα να μας βοηθήσετε.
Ναι, it's like you wanted help.
Is he hired?
Well, he's part of the US crew, US fund. This is free. Είναι όχι Ευρωπαϊκή Ένωση βοηθός, ήρθε η Αμερική να βοηθήσει. Άντε. USA helping. Come on. Ska.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right. I say what, it's probably about
Ο Σπύρος
15-20 pounds.
έγινε φίλος του το Σπύρο.
Whoa. Whoa.
Είδε.
Wow, all right, let's see if I can do that.
Έλα του. Απάνω για.
Yeah. Oh no!
Oh my gosh. Iron Man over here.
Ska, έλα, come up here.
Thank you.
Oh, oh.
Άλλος ένα. Get in the middle. Hold on.
All right.
Πάμε. Go down. No. Adventure.
Exactly what I was hoping for.
Πότε βγαίνω στο αεροπλάνο. Είδατε εισιτήρια.
Ήταν να φύγουν σήμερα, αλλάξαν το ειστήριο για να έρθουν εδώ τώρα.
Τάρα ζω έχουν την πράκα που έχουν με τράβους μέσα σε μεγάλα κουκούνια.
Ναι, πού είναι, όχι, εκεί που πάμε.
Here.
Είδατε καπιτά μου βέβαια.
Όλα αυτά.
Here. There. There. Howdy.
You can do better than that.
Howdy.
This is the real deal.
I'm sure he has everything.
Hello. Get on.
All right. There.
Hey, come on. Hello. Hurry. Oh wow, look at them. They're just hanging out in queue, ready to go. Look at that. So we're waiting for them to turn back around.
They're supposed to go where we were.
Yeah.
So that's where they'll be fed.
Also now they know to go back that way.
Yes.
Do we get back in?
Yep. And now they go behind them.
Hold up. Huh. Huh. Huh.
Sky, you gotta live up to your name.
Ducks.
Okay. Arrivo.
Arrivo. All right, so now that was the
Try
trek
and bring the baby.
to go get the sheep, and now we go feed them.
Now we wait.
Εδώ αρμέγουμε,
This is where they milk them.
μετά παίρνουμε το γάλα, το πάμε στο τυροκομείο,
Take the milk, take it to.
το πουλάμε αυτή τη στιγμή, γιατί έχω και εγώ μια μικρή μονάδα.
They sell the milk.
Που λόγω
They
κορονοϊού
also can
σταμάτησα.
produce on his own, but because of during the coronavirus, production fell so low, he actually sold his production unit. He doesn't have it anymore, so he has to go somewhere else and have them refine the milk and make it producible to be sold. His son went through, he learned how to produce cheese. He went to school, and now he's going to help out and take over and produce professionally. And they'll be selling the end product, the cheese, at farmers markets on their own and their shop. Let's go see the milk.
This is where they're
Milking.
Γιαννιού,
All right, so now I'm going to show you
τα μεγάλα.
where and how these sheep are milked. I misspoke. It's actually goats. That they're milking goats. Alright, so if any of you have watched my dairy series, you'll know how the cows are milked. This is the suctions. I actually thought that they were milking sheep. Never actually looked up to see if it's something people do. But then when I came here, I actually realized that they were milking goats, so it makes way more sense. Some babies over there. Oh, they got cows too. All right, so I completely misspoke and really didn't understand what was going on, to be honest with you. They are going to be milking sheep. Sheep do get milked. It's hard when there's all these languages going on.
Sometimes you put a little bit of the goat milk inside of the sheep's milk. It has a little bit better flavor. So it's one of their mixes.
Alright, so for what it looks like, this is done a little bit differently than with the goat, because these little suctions right here, they actually don't stick onto the sheep the same way as they do the goats. They actually have to manually pull the milk out of the sheep.
Now his new activity is trying to have tourists come and experience, not like you did.
Yeah.
That's a little too hardcore, you know, for most people. You can milk them with
Βγάζουμε
your
γάλα
hands,
και φτιάχνουμε με ζύτρα επιτόπου.
make milk and make mizitra cheese on the spot.
Oh wow, nice.
So that's a fun experience for a visitor. A little bit of tourism now.
Yeah. Who knows, people maybe see this video and come specifically
To find Manuso.
to find Manuso. Alright, so this is the location area, the new business.
Κατοίκια τσιτέζω πάει μέσα.
That's where they feed the goats.
Yep.
Κάφι, κλείνω την πόρτα,
Close the door.
μετά έχουμε ένα Αρμεγάρι. Θα αρμέγουμε. Φέρω ένα πετρογκάζ εδώ πέρα. Το
And they
τραπέζι.
bring a gas stove, a gas burner,
Yep.
and that's how then they make mizithra cheese from the milk they just milked from the goat.
Ah, very cool.
Κατευθείαν.
Come to the village of
Να
Embrosneros
δοκιμάζουν που λες.
in the region, the Apokoronas region in Chania, Crete, in the village of Embrosneros. Come and meet Manuso, and you can experience firsthand how to milk the goat and make mizithra cheese on the spot with him. And don't say no to Manuso.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Gracias.
Bye bye.